Don't you just hate when you're talking to a friend and they're just like, oh yeah, that's amazing. Oh, fantastic, blah, 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 blah. And you're telling them this whole thing. And then as soon as you're done talking, they start talking about themselves. Oh, that sucks. So what do? We need to fix that. My name is Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. Now, when it comes to having people flip things like that, what I like to do is ask them to say, repeat it back to me. Did you hear anything that I said? Can you just give me a little synopsis of what I said? And this is a great way to make sure that people actually heard you, because sometimes people are just listening to respond to you, waiting for you to take your breath so they can just say blah about the things that are important and interesting to them. But my theory is that if you're a friend and you're talking to them, what you're saying is important and interesting to them. It should be enough so that they grab it and they can repeat it back to you. They can tell you, I was listening and this is what I heard from you. See what happens. Go try it.